Guys, good morning. I'm coming to you from Waterbury, Vermont. You can tell where I'm at. I'm at the Ben & Jerry's factory. We're gonna go inside, do the factory tour, probably sample some ice cream. Come along with us. Let's go make some memories. Try to stay dry. I'm so tired of all this rain. Come on, guys, let's go.
Special shout out to our channel members. Thank you so much for all your support. If you would like to become a channel member, hit that join button down below. There are some really fun benefits. Come have a look. Thanks for watching.
I got a little ticket sales and kiosk over here. Thank you. Ben & Jerry's fan. That's a good spot for a photo. As is that. There's an area out here where you can get ice cream or sit and enjoy it. Are we there yet? Some different ads and stuff in this little seating area. There's seating areas inside, there's seating areas outside. Like right now it's raining, so we're hiding on the inside waiting for the tour. So I just came from that door, and then we got some more flavors here. 1, 2, Cherry Garcia. That's one of the ones they're most famously known for. Chocolate chip cookie dough. Chocolate fudge brownie. The Tonight Dough starring Jimmy Fallon. This one has the potato chips in it. Wasn't it? Caramel and chocolate ice cream with chocolate cookie swirls and gobs of chocolate chip cookie dough and peanut butter cookie dough. Okay. I thought he had one that had chips in it before. Fish food for the group Fish. Stephen Colbert. Chunky Monkey. Brownie batter. Those are their top 10 flavors that they sell. Brownie batter's number 10. So if you see up on the hill up there, there's a playground. They do have a playground here. It's raining right now, so obviously the little one's not taking the playground at all. But also when you go up the steps up there, that's where the flavored graveyard is at. What the flavored graveyard is, I don't know if I'm going to get a chance to see that, unfortunately, if the rain doesn't stop. What the flavored graveyard is that's all the flavors that they do that have gone away. So when you come out of this main building where you do the tour and everything, and also where the scoop shop is at, you walk down this ramp, or you can drive back there too. It looks like there's parking back there. And you just walk up those steps, and that's where the playground is, and that's where the flavor graveyard is. And then you can see here, if it wasn't raining, they got all these outdoor tables over here. That's the stuff I showed you before, the van and the place where you buy your tickets and gifts. And then there's a seating area over here as well. Definitely a lot of places to come and sit here. Right now it's raining, that's why they're all empty. Music pause was perfect timing. Oh, who's this dude? Hey buddy. How's it going? Wall of flavors. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Oh, they got ice cream cakes. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. And then they do have restrooms in here too back here, which is good to know. And they got a little gift shop. And you can purchase some t-shirts and goodies if you want. So here's a little bit more of the gift shop. And they got a puzzle with a bunch of the flavors. Who's this guy? Some cows. Those are cute. Some other good stuff in here. So this was the area when you first walk in to go to the tours. This is kind of just a little overview of the area. And the gift shop's back over here to the right when you come through the door. Go up the hill to the flavor graveyard. We're trying to beat the rain, so we're going to do this quickly. This is where the playground is also. I showed that earlier. This way. It's a nice playground that they have here for the kids to be able to blow off some steam. I guess work off all that sugar from the ice cream. So here's the little playground. It's starting to rain. I don't want to get soaked, so we're gonna have to go back. This flavor is only available here. It's called maple walnut, and it's expensive. The size of this thing, look how tiny it is. For one scoop, it was over $5. That's the only place you can get this flavor, so we decided to try it. How is it?
I don't taste the maple. Very sweet. It's good. I mean, I can feel the walnuts and stuff. It's tasty. I just don't taste the maple. Yesterday we went to cider.
Apple cider milk.
No. Cider hollow. Cider.
Cold hollow cider milk.
Cold hollow. Yesterday we went to Cold Hollow Cider Mill and we had a maple creamy, and that was really good.
It was
good.
$3.
Yeah, and it was, you know, like it was a
soft serve, yeah.
but it was like tall and it was delicious and creamy and delicious.
Yeah, we wanted to go back and get another one.
So, but we had to try this. It's the only place they have it, and it's good. It's just for the price and everything, I feel like the other one's way better.
So what do you think?
What did you think?
Delicious.
Okay, I got a walnut. The flavor, I can taste the maple, but it's like maple butter almost.
Right? I
It's
told
like
you it was
buttery.
like buttery.
It's very buttery tasty. It's good.
You done?
But this is the only place you can get this for the time being, so it's exclusive to the Waterbury location, so we had to try it. Alright, so we're entering the flavor graveyard. Let's see. Chocolate almond fudge chip. Well, that one died 3 times. Honey, I'm home. That didn't last long. Dave Matthews Band. I'm not going to show them all, obviously. But this is what the graveyard looks like overall. It's cute. It actually does look like a little cemetery, and it's fenced off. She said this was like kitschy and whatever, but it's kind of cool. It's kind of cute. Economic crunch. That's funny. You get the idea. It's pretty cool. Georgia Peach, that's probably still good. Culver still sells a Georgia Peach. Do you think they actually buried a ice cream scoop underneath?
No.
You don't think so?
Creme brulee.
Creme brulee. I know there's a couple of these flavors that still sounding good, right?
Yeah. Oh, a ton.
These are cute. It's kind of like the Haunted Mansion with the little puns on each one. Alright, so you can see I'm standing here in the middle of the flavor graveyard. I don't think I want to stay in here too long, so on that note, we're going to get out of here. So rain's a-coming again too. So thank you guys so much for coming along with us on our tour of the Ben & Jerry's factory here in Waterbury, Vermont. It's a good time. The tour's $6. Children are $1, so for the 3 of us it was 13 bucks. So it's like 4 something a person. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not the greatest tour you've ever seen when it comes to factory tours for places, but it's nice, and at least they give you a little ice cream flavors at the end, and they let us also try some cookie dough like halfway through. So it was a good experience. What's your favorite flavor of Ben & Jerry's? Leave it in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, because you never know where we're heading to next. And you want to be subscribed and ring that notification bell so you're alerted of our next video, because who knows where we're going to come from next. Could be anywhere. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon.